Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Oracle GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition on Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So this is the information about my Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So I am using Oracle Linux 8.7. So I have internet connection configured with my Oracle Linux 8 virtual machine. So make sure that you have internet connection configured in your virtual machine or operating system. So this internet connection will be used to download the Oracle GraalVM components. Okay, next I am going to I'm going to software directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded Oracle GraalVM Enterprise Edition 22.3 for Oracle JDK 17. So these are all the components. Okay, these are all the components which I have downloaded as a jar files. These components will be can be installed locally. Okay, so first step, what I am going to do, I am going to extract this tar.gzip file, that is GraalVM EE 22.3 zip file, tar.gzip file to one directory. Okay, let me extract the content to one directory. I extract to /opt directory. Okay, after extraction, so this is the content. I am renaming the directory. So I am renaming as GraalVM EE 22.3. So this is the directory structure. So it's a bin directory. It's having some commands here. You can see that GU command is there. And next, jmods directory. In jmod directory also you can see that GraalVM modules are there. So these are all the GraalVM modules bundled with this packages. Languages directory, lib directory. Okay, lib directory contains some library files, that is the .so files. Next, what I am going to do, I am going to configure environment variable. Okay, I am updating the environment variable. Okay, so I am updating the Java_home environment variable pointing to GraalVM EE 22.3. So I added the Java home bin directory to the Linux path variable, so that GraalVM commands will be available in the terminal. Okay, so I have opened the terminal. Source .bash_profile will reload the profile settings. So Java version. So Java version, you can see that GraalVM Enterprise Edition 22.3.2 message is displayed, which is pointing to Oracle JDK 17. Okay. So we are using Oracle JDK 17 for this GraalVM. Okay. Okay, my first command will be gu list. My first command is gu list. So this command will list down what are the components already available. Okay, so GraalVM core is available already. Okay, next command, gu available. GU available will display a list of components available for download and installation. Okay, these are the components available for download. We can download and install these components. Okay, so these are available online. See here, origin, it's showing gds.oracle.com, which means that we need to download using internet connection. Okay, next very important command, gu install js. Okay, so it is asking for a download token. So because I am downloading from Oracle website, it's asking for a download token. So enter a valid download token. So I have already obtained a download token. So I am reusing the download token. So this download token can be reused. Okay, if you want to install the to another virtual machine, means you can reuse this token also. Okay, save the token. Okay, so enter the download token. Now you can see that JS component is getting downloaded from Oracle website and installed. Okay, this is the way we need to download and install the component from internet. Okay, gu list command, you can see that JS components available. Okay, now once again I am going to install some other components also. Gu install LLVM will install the LLVM runtime core. Gu install LLVM toolchain. This will install LLVM toolchain. Okay, gu install native image. So this native image component is a very important component to us. So this native image component will convert class files to the native executable files. Okay. So now I am installing the nodeJS. Gu install nodeJS. Gu install Visual VM. Okay, so I have installed all the basic components. So these are all the basic components needed for development. Once again, I am list down all the components using gu list command. So these are the components available in my local. That is, these are the components are installed. Okay. Now let me go to the directory, GraalVM directory once again. So I am going to show you the changes. So languages directory, you can see some changes are there. LLVM, JS directory, nodeJS directories are newly created, and bin directory also you can see that some commands are newly installed. See here, these are the commands newly installed after installing the components. Okay, next come to lib directory. So lib directory also you can see that new .so files are got installed. Okay, so after installing the component, bin directory, languages directory and lib directory will be get affected. Okay, so you can monitor these three directories after installing the component. Okay, so commands will be installed in bin directory. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to show you how to remove the component. Okay, how to remove the component. So gu remove JS. This this command is throwing some error. What is the problem is nodeJS and Visual VM component requires JS as a dependency. Okay, so if I remove JS means nodeJS and Visual VM also got uninstalled. See here, gu remove -d JS will remove the all the dependents also. Okay, see here, JS, native image, JS, nodeJS and Visual VM, all three are uninstalled. Okay, now I am removing all the other components using gu remove command. Gu remove LLVM, gu remove LLVM toolchain, gu remove native image. So this is ordinary gu remove command. This will remove the component smoothly. Okay. See here, I have uninstalled the components successfully. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to show you info command. gu info JS means it will display the information about the JS component. Gu info native image, it will display the information about the native image component. So gu info node.js, it will give the information about the node.js component. So if you don't know about the details about the component means, you can use this gu info command. Okay, next what I am going to show. See, under home directory there is one hidden directory called .gu is created. So one config file is there. If you edit the config file means you can see the download token. So this download token is nothing but whatever I pasted, right, copy pasted, right, that's the same download token only. So this download token can be reused. Okay, this download token can be reused, and also you can view the download token. So using this command, okay, using this command gu -- show ee token, you can view the download token which is located under .gu config file. So save this token. Okay, you can reuse it. Okay, once again what I am going to do, I am going to install the components locally, that is without using internet connection. That is, I am going to install this component offline, okay, using jar files. Let me go to the software directory once again. So Linux directory. So here you can see the jar files are there, right? So these are the components, Oracle GraalVM components. So I am going to install these jar files locally without using internet connection. Same like z install only, but additionally I am using one option called -l. gu install -l means local. So locally it will install the component. So I am installing the component. First I am installing LLVM. Installable, that is LLVM runtime I am installing. So LLVM runtime installed successfully. Next I am going to install LLVM toolchain. Next I am going to install native image. Next I am going to install okay, so I install the basic components. Okay, gu install JS. I am installing JS from online because I have not downloaded a JS jar file. So I installed online. Now I am installing nodeJS from offline. Okay, nodeJS jar file offline. Finally, I am installing Visual VM. Okay, so these are all the basic components. So additionally, you can install Python, Ruby, R language, etc. So, but these are the basic things used for our development, and especially native image is very important here. Okay. So finally, we have installed all the basic components locally, that is offline, without using internet connection. We have installed jar files from offline. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to run this hello world.java as an executable file. So first what I am going to do, I am going to compile this hello world.java. Okay, first I am going to compile this hello world.java using GraalVM Java C compiler. Okay, you need to reset the, that is, you need to run the source command once again. Source dot bash profile, source $home slash dot bash underscore profile. So this will reloads the profile settings once again. So you can see I can able to compile the hello world.java now using GraalVM. You can see hello world.class is got generated. Now what I am going to do, I am going to compile this hello world.class to convert this hello world.class to native executable. So I am going to convert this hello world.class to executable file. So before that, I want to show you something. rpm-qa grep glibc. Okay, rpm-qa grep gcc. rpm-qa grep zlib install. Then only you can run this native image. Okay, these rpm packages are mandatory, and these rpm packages are used by GraalVM's native image component. Okay, so before running the native image command, I need to show this. Okay, so I'm like showing, make sure that all these rpms are installed. Okay, so these rpm packages are already available in Oracle Linux 8 DVD ISO file itself. No need to download from internet. Okay, now I am going to run the native image command. Native -image -cp dot hello world.class. That is hello world, simply hello world. So this will convert the hello world.class to the executable file. So this native image tool will be using GCC C compiler. Okay, C compiler, see here, it is using C compiler to generate the native executable file. Yes, you can see that hello world executable file is created, and also you can see that java.lang, java.util, these packages are these modules or packages bundled to the hello world executable file. Okay, now you can see that hello world executable file is created. I am simply run the hello world executable /hello world. Okay, it prints the welcome message successfully. So successfully you have run the Java hello world program, converted to executable file, and also we ran this executable file successfully. Okay, now next step, what I am going to do, I am going to run the C programs. So I am going to run the C program. So there is one directory called C programs. It contains hello world.c. It will display the message, welcome message. Okay, save the file. So I edited the hello world.c. It will display the welcome message. Okay, so I want to show you something. So under languages directory LLVM, okay, under languages directory LLVM native bin directory is there. Okay, so under the bin directory you can see that C++ compiler executable files are there. So you can see that C-lang executable files are there. So nothing but this is a LLVM C++ compiler only. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to point this path to the environment variable. So I am going to append this path to the Linux path variable in bash profile. Okay, so I open the bash profile. Okay, I am going to execute the command lli print toolchain path. So after executing the command, you can see that some path is displayed, right? So copy this path. Okay, let me show in full screen mode. Okay, after executing print toolchain path, you can see that some path is displayed. Copy this path. Okay, copy this path. Go to the bash profile. So you can either create separate environment variable or you can directly append to the Linux path variable. That's your wish. Okay, so now here I am appending directly to the Linux path variable. Okay, save the bash profile. So note down the syntax, save the bash profile. Okay, once again I am running the source command. This will reload the bash profile settings once again. This will reload the bash profile settings once again. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to compile and run the C program. Compile and run the C program. See here, using the clang command. So clang is nothing but C compiler. So C compiler, the clang is available in LLVM toolchain component. Okay, LLVM toolchain component. clang hello world.c -o hello world. That's it. So now you can see that hello world exe will hello world executable file is got created. So you can simply execute this hello world file using /hello world or lli space hello world. Okay, so you can see that welcome message is displayed from C program. So finally we learned how to run C program using clang tool, which is bundled with the GraalVM. Next I am going to show you how to run C++ program. Okay, how to run C++ program. So there's already one directory called cpp programs. Hello world.cpp is there. Okay, this will display the welcome message. Okay, LLI version. Okay, clang++. So clang++ is the command used to compile C++ file. Okay, see here, clang++ hello world.cpp -o hello world. You can see that hello world executable file is got created. So now I am going to run the file, simply typing lli space hello world. That's it. You can see that C++ executable file got executed successfully and displays the welcome message. So this lli command will automatically links all the compiler dependencies. Okay, so this is the way we need to run C++ program. Okay, now I am going to show you how to run nodeJS. So you can see that nodeJS installed. Okay, nodeJS installed. already in GraalVM using nodeJS component. So now I am going to show you how to run this nodeJS. So I am going to directory called JS programs. So already I created a JS program directory. In that directory, app.js is available. So app.js contains the logic for a simple web server, very simple web server, which will display the hello welcome message in browser, and also it will display some message in console, that is in terminal. Okay, so now I am going to run this program. So before running this program, I am going to install some nodeJS modules or packages. So colors and span. So these two modules are used by this app.js program. So I am installing these modules first. npm install colors and span. So this will install the colors and span modules. So you can see the modules in node modules directory. Okay, now I am running this app.js using node command, node app.js. So I open the browser, copy the link, paste it, that's it. Yes, you can see that welcome messages got displayed, and this program will be timed out. Okay, so finally we have run the nodeJS program using GraalVM. Okay, so we have learned how to run Java program and convert to native image, and we learned how to compile and run C programs, and we also learned how to compile and run C++ program also using LLVM toolchain, and finally we learned how to run nodeJS program also. So Oracle GraalVM 22.3 Enterprise Edition installation on Oracle Linux 8 is successful. So make sure this components are installed, and native image component is very important to us, and it requires some dependencies which I have already shown. Make sure that you have installed all the dependencies to run the native image command. Okay.